All right, we're live. We're live action today, baby.
Go.
See you on the other side. Today, we are doing the pink trail in East Jindabyne. Flow trail, blue flow actually. Little rock section here. Straight into the berm. Big jump there. Roll the next one. Woo! Big jump there. Roll this. Boost that. Jump at all these. Coming to the corner. Not enough speed for that one, I don't think. Jump that. Sketchy. Whoa. Getting the arm pump on. Bit of a rutted out berm, but it will do. Little roller here. Footbridge. Ooh. Cheers, guys. Oh. Now my favourite section. Really let the hair down on this one. Oh yeah, I am Trail Ninja. Wah! Wah! Rap! Trail Ninja. Hit the boost. Hit the boost. Big X up there. Woo! Oh, yeah. That's my favourite section. Oh, for sure. Oh. Now this is all just single trail. Really tight. That's the way we like it. Oh. Little ups and downs, a bit of a pedal, but it's not too bad. It's a big climb up here. Oh, don't know if you can hear that. It's a tyre slipping. GoPro's going to do no justice for that one. Justice will not be served on editor today. This section's pretty cool. Always just lock up a bit there, helps the bike turn into the corner. People be yelling at me. Not very good talking to this camera. But yeah, doing silent YouTube videos. Just with the sounds of the bike.